Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video.
I'm asking my grandmother. I can wait for hours. When that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
I had to put this sticker here because if you know, you know. But be sure to head over to my Instagram at Designsbymyc so y'all can get a view of this beauty, because you probably won't get a good view on here because you know how YouTube like to be. But if anything, that's me, y'all. Oh, I got my mask. I'm so sorry. But if anything, also go and check me out on TikTok because this might make it there. Okay. So this, like the last one, it's already glued. So the rhinestones that I have is yellow and red and clear and white. I'm going to just go ahead and do it, y'all. Even though the yellow is kind of like off, I'm going to still go with it. I'm going to still go with the flow. That should be good enough for the mix for right now. That should be more than enough. So we're going to go ahead, and I got all this left over because y'all know how I like to do it. But let's see what time it is. 4:42. Y'all, let me hurry up and bling this because maybe it seems like she's getting fussy, which means she probably want to eat soon. So I'm going to go ahead and get the blinging. Bad with the yellow. I thought it was going to look a little off because of the color. But you know what? Everything don't gotta match, y'all. Some colors can bring other colors out. So I think the yellow really brought out this, like, I want to say it's not mustard, but it's like a dark yellow or deep yellow, sun yellow. Y'all, listen. Okay, let's just go ahead and pull back the plastic of the paper. Oops, sorry, y'all. Sorry. Oh, I got all this stuff on my hand. All this glue, and it do not look good. Oops. Y'all already know what that is. Y'all already know I got that covered up. But be sure that, like I said, that y'all head over to my Instagram at Designsbymyc so y'all can get a better look. Go ahead and take some pictures. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and make sure that y'all subscribe. I got to do some cleaning right here, as I see, and right there, but not bad at all. Oh, I gotta do a lot. I didn't even notice that. All right here, I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera before I take pictures. But until the next video, you guys, bye bye.